Over the past 8 years, I've created thousands of pieces of content, and I've learned a lot of lessons on how to monetize from it, scaling my business from content to hundreds of thousands of dollars. As recently, I actually signed a client with 3 million followers who is trying to monetize his audience. So I'll be implementing strategies I've learned over years of running my business into his. And then I'll be teaching you those and how most people actually, even if they know these strategies, kind of implement them in the wrong way. So make sure you watch the rest of this video so that way you can understand each strategy and how it actually relates to you signing more clients through your content. Because I'll be simplifying all of this into one framework so you don't have to question whether or not your content will actually be making you money. You can have millions of followers, but it won't matter unless you know this. You have to know the problem that you are solving for these people, and you have to know the goals that they have. Because if you're targeting some people online, right? Some random people, if you don't actually know any of their ambitions, if you don't know who they are, and if you don't know what they want, then you can make all the content in the world, but it won't matter because none of them are actually going to resonate with you. In fact, I used to make random self-improvement videos, you can even check years ago on this channel, and I expected to make something from it. But the issue was I wasn't really specific on who I was targeting and who I was going to help. And that's the biggest thing that I've found over talking with hundreds of online coaches who are using their content to monetize is they just make random content and hope for the best. You have to make ultra specific content tailored towards the people you want to help. And to give you an example, it's like the difference between just saying this is a phone or saying this is specifically a phone for 17-year-old woman who like to take high quality pictures, something like that, right? Although it can be used for other people and can be meant for other purposes, the way you brand yourself is super important. What I mean by branding fundamentally is the association between you and other things. Well, why is that so important to know? Is because over time, when you speak about stuff, if you keep speaking about the same thing, people associate that thing with you. And then if you're able to do that consistently, and you can consistently tell people, hey, this is my thing, then what you're going to be able to do is get that association with you, resulting in people being like, hey, maybe I'll check out more of his stuff. The next step to this is congregating your audience and organizing them all to one place. Not just like one channel, like, yeah, you should create a YouTube channel and you can make videos that are all in one place because you don't go to other platforms. What I mean is you want to create content that's going to drive traffic to one area. One area as in maybe it's your Instagram page, maybe it's an online community, which are super powerful. The reason why I always go for having an online community, which personally I've built 3 of these on my own, and I've helped about 30 other entrepreneurs build and monetize their online communities. With that in mind, is that the reason why online communities are so powerful is because you can create a sense of community, and this sense of community creates connections inside of the community, not just to you as the owner, but to other people within the community. That's why this is so powerful, because there is that sense of community, and people love a sense of community because then they can feel like they fit into something. A great story I'm going to tell to hammer this point home was a few years ago when I decided to purchase an online community. I actually bought one. I'm not saying that now you don't have to have a paid community, but I bought a paid community, and I was about 15 at the time. And what I did was I bought this paid community because a lot of these other guys were in a similar position as me. They were starting entrepreneurs, they were creating some content, they were getting into self-improvement, but they didn't have a congregated place of other people like them. And that's actually what excelled my progress. Just a few months after that, what I was able to do was build a strong network, and then because of that network, and because of the content I was creating, and because of how I excelled in this area, what I was able to do is I made $3,000 in that same month, closing back-to-back calls for $750 each. And The reason why this is so important to know is because community is one of the best aspects you can have. So if you create a community, whether that's on school.com or that's on Discord or it's somewhere, this community is going to be a great place to drive traffic and drive your audience to. And not only that sense of community, but you're going to be able to nurture them much better. Which leads to the next point, creating a nurturing system. A nurturing system is as simple as saying that you give more stuff and you have more points of contact with your audience. And this is going to be coming from videos, posts, and resources. What I mean by this is that, well, let's look at nurturing like warming something up. And you want to have more friction with people, especially as you scale your business and as your audience is so big, and if it keeps getting bigger, well, because of that reason, you're going to want to have a lot of friction to, number one, nurture these people, because friction between your hands creates warmth. You want to create warmth within these leads, but it's also disqualify other people, because remember how we talked about you want to create ultra specific content. Well, you also want to have an ultra specific avatar, and this avatar is the person that you are going to work with, because you're going to work with somebody that you're going to help make a specific transformation, going from where they are to where they want to be. And you're only going to be able to do that if you can get those people who want to make that transformation in the first place. So in doing so, you have to understand that you're going to effectively disqualify some people through that friction process. So how you're going to do this is through a few different methods. Is when they join the community, or when they follow you on Instagram, or when they join your email list, there's automatically stuff sent to them, whether it's a resource, it's a direct message, it's something. You need to have some sort of point of contact. And then you also want to have other resources that are readily available for them, whether these are videos or these are documents or worksheets. And then from that point on, as they're within this system, you constantly make new posts, new stories, and say new things that get shown to them about your experience, your results, and the results of your other past clients, as well as sharing real value, stuff that nobody else gets except for the exclusive group inside of this one place, which then drives more traffic to that and more incentive to that place. Now, as you're driving this traffic, well, you have to be able to sell, and this is where the offer comes in. Well, as you kind of defined your offer beforehand, as we're talking about the transformation that you're going to help somebody make, now you're going to have to be able to sell this to people, and that's where your positioning, like the positioning of yourself and your results, and therefore your offer, is going to come into play. What I mean by this is you want to be able to get in direct contact with them, and then once you talk with them and you can understand their problems simply just by asking them what's going on and where they're at, you can then share other resources directly to them that provides as a mechanism for their progress. And what I mean by this is that you want to genuinely just give free value. Well, value is created when pain is alleviated. Pain is alleviated when problems are solved. Therefore, you want to create specific content and resources that you can directly send to these people that actually solve problems. And then from there, all you have to do is position the next step, which is getting on a call with you and talking with them, as the thing that's the obvious next step to making even more progress. And that's as simple as defining whatever goal they have, figuring out if they want help achieving it, and as soon as you define that they want help and you guys agree that they have some sort of problem stopping them from getting there, positioning this call as the thing that is going to help them get there faster. Once you schedule the call and you get on the call, what you're going to be able to do is sell to them from there. And if you want to learn the exact sales method that I've used to personally close $15 and $10, $5,000 deals on the regular, click the first link in the description and apply to join a free community. And then from there, as soon as you join, you'll get access to not only the sales method, but a lot more. And you'll be able to join hundreds of entrepreneurs exactly like yourself that are looking to excel in monetizing their audience from their content creation. And overall, just a high-level overview of sales is you want to build relationships and overall just be authentic and normal, like have conversations. and talk like you would talk to anybody else. Because instead of being robotic like this and just talking, yeah, buy from me, you have to just talk like it's a conversation. Be energetic, but also be normal and be natural. Because when you have these conversations and you create that level of authenticity, what it does is it builds trust, it builds rapport, and it builds respect on your end because they respect you a lot more. And then as you start having these conversations, they're going to trust you more and they're going to more than likely buy from you. Every single person that I've bought from and I've spent tens of thousands of dollars investing into myself in business has been somebody I previously talked to, seen content of theirs, or something like that, where I trusted them at least to an extent enough where I knew this person was able to get me results and they were able to do it in a way which I liked. That's why it's so powerful to be able to build that trust, have these connections, and build that rapport. So just build a relationship, and overall, by building that relationship, what you end up building is something called relational capital. This relational capital is fundamentally the discrepancy between what people expect from you and what you actually give within a relationship. And when there is that discrepancy, so that gap between the two, what you're going to be able to do is use that in the future, whether it's them paying you, them helping you out, whatever that might be. With that in mind, I know this is somewhat painful for you to think about the fact that you don't have these sales, you want to make more money, but you're still trying to figure out how. Well, the best way to be able to do that is by learning from someone who has. Therefore, I created a free private community that I mentioned earlier in the video that is specifically designed to helping online educational creators who either want to scale their online coaching business. So they either want to get into or they want to scale their online coaching business, and there's already hundreds of people in there right now. And inside of this community, they're learning exclusive methods that currently you don't have access to, that I've personally used to sign those tens of thousands of dollars in deals and make a lot of money. So stop waiting, take action, click the top link in the description and join now. Or I guess you don't have to, right? I mean, you can do whatever you want. It's completely free, by the way, completely free to join. There's nothing that costs. There's no secret hidden thing that you have to pay for. I don't have any low ticket courses to sell you. I don't have any $99 a month community. It's completely free, and I'm giving you all that value and that advice for free. So with that in mind, it's now just up to you to take that step, take this next step of action, or not. You don't have to. You can live the same life of other people who see opportunities in front of them, but they don't take action because they're scared that if they commit themselves, oh, maybe it won't work out. It's up to you to choose, but I think we both know which is the right choice.